Quit shaking.
We thought you might be able to help us with a problem. You see, Clancy here has a...
Uh-oh. Oops.
A cold?
Yeah, how did you know?
Call it a hunch. The best way to get rid of a cold is to get lots of rest. And bundle up.
See? Told you guys he knew all about colds. Thanks, Shaka Bra.
No sweat. See ya.
Shaka Bra said to bundle you up, Clancy.
Sorry about spilling smooshberries on the couch.
That's okay.
I brought you some pillows, Clancy.
Thanks. Can I skateboard just a little?
I know you want to do stuff, but...
You need to rest, Clancy. Remember what the Yeti said.
I could read you a story. That might help you relax.
Oh, yeah, I love stories.
Come along with Julius Jr. Step inside the box and see.